Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the Sailor Swiss Army knife. It's a 93mm alox model. We see it's red alox. It's a limited edition from swissbianco. On the back side we have the engraving plate and we see the big marling spike sacking needle. On the front we have the red alox with the red logo. This knife is a two-layer Swiss Army knife. Pretty simple construction. The first layer we see on the left side is the marlin spike sacking needle. Then in the same layer is the main blade. And then in the second layer, which is a bit thinner, is the wood saw. I'm gonna open up the tools that you see how that looks. With the main blade. The handle length is 93mm of this knife. And for open the saw blade, you simply hook at the end with your fingernail and then you can open it. It's very simple and basic. That much about the Sailor in red alox. It was a limited edition made for swissbianco.